Hi, I'm going to show you in this short video how to add multiple videos to a WordPress page or post. Now, I have struggled with this over the years because I make quite a lot of membership pages with courses on them, multiple videos and courses. And another thing that I've done over the years as well is that for myself, I create on YouTube, I create playlists, and sometimes I want to share them with people. And in fact, I found an interesting use for playlists, which I'll share with you in a minute. It can be quite beneficial and even lucrative. So the traditional way, let me just show you. If I go into one of my own websites here, now I use my theme. I use a thing called Profit Builder, WP Profit Builder, to build it. But essentially, I'm building it inside of the WP, the traditional WordPress editor, the same way you would. Now, you saw that I was on this video. So what I had to do, if I want to put, this is not my video, but obviously it's a public video. They're shareable. They're intended to be shared. So I wanted to share this one, so I got the embed code by clicking share and then clicking this, and that gives you that code there, which I then simply highlighted and copied. Doesn't want to do that for me while I'm recording, but anyway, I've done that already. And then I went, you see it says open in WP editor, so that's what I did. And you'll recognize this, whatever theme you're using. This is the old way of adding things to WordPress. So I went into the text tab and I simply pasted in that text, and it's coming up here as well in this box, but for all intents and purposes you can ignore that. And then you have to click save, which is down here, but that's fine. And so what you get then is a page that looks like this. Now obviously I've added I just wanted to show you as a demo. I mean, I could put headers and all kinds of stuff around it, but it's still not very neat. And then if you want to add another one, then what I could do here is, I could put in I could do it on here. So if you don't know the HTML, I could click a couple of spaces and then add another video and put the next iframe down below it or something like that. That's clumsy and cumbersome, and especially if you've got more than a couple of videos, it means that people have to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. It's really untidy, and I've never liked it. It works. It's clumsy. Sometimes WordPress as well can be a bit temperamental and throw out the iframes. I don't know why. I've never figured that out. Some themes seem to allow it. This one does. Others don't. Now, there is another way, if you are using Profit Builder, a neater way, to be fair to Profit Builder and to WordPress, to do this, which is to... I'll come to that one in a second. Let's close that down. There we are. So if I add a new row, I can then add a short code of content video. And I've done this a number of times as well. So with these, you can see he's already pre-populated with one about Profit Builder itself. But if I wanted to add the one I was showing you, then I would simply grab the URL of that video, go back to that page, and paste in the one I want, and it will come up there. And I can play around with that to some degree. I can get the size changed again, but again, I mean, that probably is better in the sense that it's bigger. But if I wanted to do more with it, then all I can do is add another one and another one, another one, and it still requires the scrolling. So that's ways you can do it. You can do it by sharing the embed code. You can do it by getting a theme like Profit Builder, which is very good. I've used it for years. I mean, I love it. But adding multiple videos to a page or a post, from the viewer's point of view, is clumsy. So let me show you an alternative, which I really, really like this. Now, this is a playlist that I put together for myself initially. Now look, I'll just show you what happens here. If I click this little thing here, look at that. Right, now there are 4 videos in this. You can see they've got little thumbnails, and each one you can open up and play. Open up and play. They're all YouTube, but they don't have to be YouTube, right? And all that is a it gives you a little shortcode, and you just paste it in. You can put it anywhere on a, and it even gives you HTML. So if you don't have WordPress, you can put it somewhere else. It's a plugin, but it's really, really handy. You can change the color scheme and so on. And I told you earlier I would show you a way that I came up with, kind of because of this plugin. It just kind of made me think, oh, there's things I could do with this. So these are videos that people could find for themselves. I mean, they're on YouTube, but I've curated them and collected them into this little, as you see here, condensed course about how to get free traffic from Instagram. Over time, I found I mean, they're all by different people, and then I added links to stuff. Now, you could add affiliate links here. You could give these little playlists away. You could find them yourself about any topic. Just imagine you're in the, I don't know, the dog training topic, or flower arranging, or horse riding. I mean, it could be anything. You find, you know, a bunch of videos that speak to you. You might already have them. You might think, oh, I keep going back to that one. Turn it into a little condensed playlist like this that you can paste anywhere on your blog, on a page, anywhere. And if you've got products, or you've got affiliate products, even, you know, if you're in the Amazon program, find things on there and just say, look, you might find these products useful, whatever. And because all you're doing is pasting a shortcode into a page, and look how beautiful you can make it. And it comes from this plugin called Video Stacks, and that's the one I was just showing you there. And you create a page or a post, and just paste it in rather. So if I can show you, get shortcode, there you go, and that's all it is. And you just copy that and paste it in there. But if you wanted to put it into a non-WordPress page that will take JavaScript, then it could go. You can use it that way as well. So it doesn't have to be WordPress. The plugin is WordPress, but you can paste these lists onto other kinds of websites. You could even make them for clients, I guess, and just send them the code. So I'll put a link below this video that you can, if you want to have a look and check out Video Stacks for yourself. It has a good pedigree. It's made by Matthew McDonald, who's been making ingenious things for the world of video and video marketing for a good many years now, and he's a good guy. So I've never seen anything like it. It's a game changer. So I hope that helps, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Check out Video Stacks. Really, really good.